tan 60 is equals to what? H plus 10 upon AB, right? Therefore AB equals to what? H plus 10 upon tan 60, that is root 3. But we know AB now, H root 3. Therefore H root 3 equals to H plus 10 upon root 3. Solve this, take root 3 on the other side. 3H equals to H plus 10. H on the other side, 2H equals to 10. Therefore H equals to 5. Now we know H 5, and big building is what? 10 plus 5, 15. That's what is required. 15, and the distance between the two means AB is also required. AB is what? H root 3. That is 15 and root 3. Sorry, it is 5 root 3. Why 5 root 3? Because it is H root 3, and H is what? 5. So therefore it's 5 root 3 is the distance. So AB equals to 5 root 3, and its total height is 15. Okay. Next, the angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 45 degrees. After a flight of 10 seconds, the elevation changes to 30 degrees. Okay. If the aeroplane is flying at a height of 3 kilometers, find the speed of the aeroplane. Okay. Say this, I am at a point O now, and it is 45 degrees. I am seeing this aeroplane over here. After 10 seconds, this plane is flying over here, and it is over here at point B. Then I am seeing it at an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. Now what is given? 3 kilometers. This is 3 kilometers. Now what I want? Speed of the aeroplane. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.